weird outfit. Why are you talking?
Racing ahead, are you, Daisy? Has the lizard moved? Where is it?
Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Today I'm starting it off a little bit differently. Been to Pilates, done all that, but before I got dressed, I wanted to do a requested video where someone asked me to shop my wardrobe, and I thought that that would actually tie in nicely with a couple of other requests that I've had where I have to create, or I've been asked to create, a capsule wardrobe which ties in neatly with my trip overseas next year where I'm restricted by luggage, so I need to make every piece of outfit, every piece of clothing that I bring with me work multiple ways. So I'm starting off with this gorgeous linen dress from the Lily Loves range at Target. I've only bought this recently during the Black Friday sales and I love it. It's just a beautiful silhouette, very flattering, very easy to wear, but I wanted to see how many different ways I could wear this dress. So with the magic of editing, here is the dress. As you can see, the dress is very simple. It's very easy to wear with just a standard bra. I'm not wearing a racerback bra at all. So it is very easy to pack away. Now, for a very simple ensemble, I'm just going to throw on these nude slides that I just purchased yesterday from TK Maxx, but these are available from so many different designers and brands. So I wanted to get something that was very neutral, that didn't have too many different colors going on, so that it could play very well with any color that I have in my wardrobe. So let's put these on. With this very simple look, I'm picturing wearing this outfit to go to a market on the weekend. So I'm grabbing the hat that I recently bought from Target, but any old hat will do. I just like this now because it's new. And I'm just going to grab a coat and some sunglasses. Very simple look. Now, I've just noticed that my pasty white legs and feet match the color of these slides, and it just doesn't quite resonate with the color of the bag and the hat. So I think I might swap it out for these kind of espadrilles. With these lighter sandals, I think I would go for a different bag, only because the sandals are just a little bit more elevated and dressy. Since I'm wearing heels anyway, I'm thinking I might throw on a blazer. This is just a linen blazer that I recently bought from Maya. It's Basque. I bought it on sale. It was a perfect purchase. Just what I wanted for summer for those days where it's a little bit cooler, or you're going out at night and it's, yeah, the nights are a little bit chillier than the daytime. Then I thought this would be perfect. I'm throwing it over the linen dress with the tan sandals. So this is a very simple look. Just throw on a blazer, grab a neutral bag. It's not the same color as the shoes, but I know many of you don't like to be matchy-matchy. So I think that this actually bag matches the heels of the shoes, of the espadrilles that I'm wearing. So I think that's perfect for just a casual lunch out where you're not having to do a lot of walking, because these are heels. Now let's go and try version 3 of this dress. Now, not only do I find that blue goes really well with tan accessories, I also find it goes really well with white accessories, like these kitten heel shoes that I got from Kmart. You really can't tell they're from Kmart. They're super comfortable. Except that the leather, or the faux leather, is quite stiff. So after a long day of walking, they can rub on your little toes here. But provided you're not doing a lot of walking, these are fine. So let me throw these on. And I'm going to go really matchy-matchy here because I'm throwing something else on top that will need a bit of a matchy-matchy look. Shoulder bag in white with a gold chain. I'm thinking I might throw a scarf around my neck just for a pop of colour. Now, there's so many different ways you can tie it, but I'm just doing just a standard knot like this. Then, shopping my wardrobe, I have a linen blazer from Preview Target that I bought last year or maybe the year before. I thought I would go blue on blue. Now, if my daughter was here, she'd say I look like an air hostess, but I like it. I think it's very chic. White bag, and I'm done. I think this is a super simple, elegant outfit now that can take you to so many different places. I love it. I think it's really chic. Let me know in the comments below, which version do you like? Now let's move to something a little bit more casual. Throwing on sneakers. I'm going to grab a blue coat just because I love to be matchy-matchy. And the blue picks up the blue out of my shoes. Sunglasses, and if it looks like it might be a little bit chilly or you think you might need an extra layer, throw on a white cardigan over your shoulders, bit of cover, and voila. I feel like there are so many different combinations. You could throw a yellow cardigan, a red cardigan. I was at Zara yesterday and I saw these gorgeous red necklace that I didn't buy, but now I'm kicking myself. I think after this video, I will go and buy it and put it up here or put a link to it if you're interested in it as well. It's just beautiful. It's just these red pearls interspersed with white string pearls. Beautiful. I thought it would make this dress look festive and Christmassy. If you don't want to wear red head to toe, but you want to wear something that still calls out and says, it's Christmas, let's party, then I think that necklace would fit the bill. And next, I'm going to swap out these sneakers for proper walking sneakers. These are my latest New Balance. I love these because they've got the denim N, so it goes really well with my jeans, but it also looks really cute with this scarf. So if I wanted to dress down this dress with these sneakers, but still look like I've tried to look a little bit smarter, then I could put that on as well and just dress it up a little bit. Let me put these on. I have to say that I'm really loving the fact that now you can throw sneakers on with anything. Gone are the days where sneakers used to only have to be worn with jeans or leisure wear. Now you can actually throw sneakers on with a nice dress, a skirt, whatever you want, and no one will bat an eyelid because it's just a dumb thing, isn't it? We're tending to dress down more than dress up lately, but I'm saying you don't really need to forfeit dressing up, but still be comfortable. So throw on your sneakers with a nice dress and you're sort of like looking chic, but comfortable at the same time. So I've thrown on these sneakers and now I'm going to throw on a denim jacket. Shop your wardrobe because I don't think you're going to be able to find this one here. I've had this now for a number of years and I bought it from Portman's and I really like it because it's got these puffy sleeves at the top, which just give a standard denim jacket just a bit of a different look. Grab whatever you have in your wardrobe. You don't need to go and buy something new just to wear with a new dress. I like to find something that I know that when I get home, I'm going to be able to style in many different ways. So here is the final and simple look. It's a very simple, very casual. I'm thinking that I can probably throw on my hat with this, sunglasses, and I just like to throw over a crossbody. It keeps my hands free for doing all that touching that I like to do whenever I go to markets. And now I'd also like to see if I can convert this dress to wear also in autumn when it's a little bit more chilly. So I've just grabbed a linen shirt from my wardrobe that I will throw under the dress and see what that looks like, just as something different. Here we are. It's just a 3/4 length linen shirt that I've just thrown under the dress. And this just covers your arms if you feel a little bit uncomfortable. It's still cool enough for not a very hot day, but it's still cool enough if you're perhaps spending a lot of time in air-conditioned offices and in spaces, shopping centers and whatnot, although shopping centers can get quite warm sometimes. But it's linen with linen, so I think it just gives the dress a whole new look. What do you think? Now, if you want to go really whole hog, how about throwing on the scarf, grabbing the blue blazer? Now, I'm going to change out of these clothes because it's really muggy here in Melbourne. It's overcast. The mess you don't see of an outfit try on to put all this stuff away now. And now, before I start melting with all these outfit changes, let's open up day 14 of the Advent calendar. It's a little one. And it is ripe one or hydration. I don't know what that means. Oh no. There's a space between the what I thought was a 1 and the or. It's actually ripe for hydration. Anyway, what's this? It is the Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. I love all their range of avocado products, so I can't wait to try these. If it's as good as the avocado eye cream, then I'm going to love it. In case you don't realize, I'm a klutz. Now I'm going to go and change into something really comfortable so that I can just edit this video for tomorrow for you and then figure out what I'm going to cook for dinner. I do have some tomato sauce in the freezer, and I think I have some zucchini and some capsicum in the fridge that probably needs some cooking. So I might whip it all together, maybe with some, oh, what was it that I bought? It was that bacon, Italian bacon that I bought recently. I think that might be really nice. So I might film some of that and show it to you in tomorrow's video. Thank you for watching today's video, my friends. Until tomorrow, have a fabulous day. Bye.